Aging is just scratches on a compact disc, and it's like it makes the music skip. Right? Is there a backup copy of the epigenome? In other words, can you polish that CD and get back the original music of your youth? There's nothing to get back. It doesn't make sense. Right? From that book directly, quote unquote, to become young again, we said this, right? We just need to find some polish to remove the scratches. It is a beautiful metaphor, and this is so I got to be careful with metaphors and analogies. They're quite poetic, right? And often very powerful and true. But in this case, it's also the source of the error, right? The reason it is seductive is that it captures something real. Epigenetic marks do become corrupted over time, correct? And there is a sense in which information is being lost, but the metaphor carries a hidden assumption, right? That there is one layer of information, that it can be separated from the medium, and that the medium can be restored without changing the information. None of those assumptions hold for a living organism. None of them. This is why this compact disc analogy fails, right? Compact disc has one layer. A living system has interacting layers that continuously rewrite each other. If you put that CD in, how does it work? It stores information in a single physical layer. There's pits and lands that are etched onto the surface, right? It's like reading a record, essentially, but you're doing it with lasers. There's no feedback between the encoding and the playback, right? The disc does not change while you listen to it. A living cell is literally the opposite of this. It has no separable layers. Its epigenome shapes which proteins actually get made. Those proteins reshape the epigenome. Okay, so the immune system reads signals from both and changes how it responds, which feeds back into metabolic state, which changes which genes are even accessible in the first place, and that changes protein production again. You understand the feedback loops, right? It's very nonlinear. Every layer is continuously rewriting every other layer. There is no stable substrate underneath, waiting to be uncorrupted. The system is the interaction. So this is the core reason that this kind of factory reset metaphor fails. You cannot reset a process.